Hello my lovelies, welcome back again to our channel. Today I'm super excited because we are unboxing my brand new Neewer light. I've been struggling with my old light setup for quite some time now, honestly, but you know what? Let me give you a little backstory. My previous light, let me just say this, it was just a disaster. The stand was always wobbling, falling over, and honestly it spoiled a lot of my videos. But you know what? We moved because today we're upgrading to our new light. I've heard so many amazing things about Neewer light, especially their quality and durability. And honestly, I could not just wait to get my hand on this one. The packaging is speaking luxury. Imagine how they just package everything. See the bag, they put the light and everything. It looks so good and quality already. I have to give a big shout out to my sister, who also is a YouTuber, Change Your Look. She was the one that came over that day to help me with the unboxing, and we had so much fun setting it up. Thank you so much, sis. Guys, you can check her channel as well. She's good in everything. When you go there, you will see. You will enjoy every bit of it. Now, let me just say this. The before and after is a total bang. You are going to see it while the video is going on. To be honest with you, the difference is unbelievable, and I feel so happy about how much better my videos are going to be looking from now on. And of course, I can't thank you all enough, my amazing YouTube family. Thank you so much for always supporting me, watching my videos, dropping your lovely comments, and motivating me to create more content. You guys make this journey so worth it, and I love you all so much. God bless you. If you are thinking of upgrading your setup, I will definitely recommend you checking out Neewer light. The quality speaks for itself. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming quality videos. Until next time, see you in our next video, lovelies.